हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इस वीडियो में रेलवे एनटीपीसी CBT-1 आंसर के बारे में बात करेंगे। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड CNE 01/2019 फॉर रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ वेरियस एनटीपीसी ग्रेजुएट एंड अंडर ग्रेजुएट पोस्ट फर्स्ट स्टेज कंप्यूटर बेस्ड CBT-1 viewing of question paper responses and answer keys and raising objection if any to question option keys. The computer-based test for NTPC post vacancy number 01/2019 was conducted from 28 December to 31st July in order to enable candidates who appeared in this CBT-1 to view their question paper response and answer key. A link has been provided on website of RRB which will be activated from 16 August to 23 August. After viewing of these details above, objection if any regarding the question, option and keys published can be raised by candidates for which the time schedule, fee and procedure is given below. Time activities. Serial number 1. Viewing of question paper responses and keys 16 अगस्त रात 8 बजे से। Second, raising of objection against the question, options and keys on an online payment 18 अगस्त से। Closing of viewing of question paper objection raising and payment 23 अगस्त। Second point, fee. The prescribed fee for raising objection is 50 rupees plus applicable bank service charges for question. In case the objection released is found to be correct, the fee paid against such valid objection shall be refunded to the candidate. The refund will be made to account from where the candidate has made the online payment. Note: for payment using debit cards, all bank RuPay debit cards are allowed. Second, SBI Visa Master debit cards are allowed. Third, other bank Visa Master debit cards cannot be used. Third point, procedures for raising answer key. The detailed procedure with necessary guidelines will be available in link provided on official website of RRB. Fourth point, candidates are advised to raise objection if any well before the final date and time 23 August, after which no representation from the candidates on the question, options key etc. will be entertained. Point 5. The decision of RRBs on the objection raised shall be final and binding, and no further correspondence shall be entertained from the candidates in the matter. Chairperson Railway Recruitment Boards फ्रेंड NTPC CBT-1 का आंसर की 16 अगस्त से 23 अगस्त तक रिलीज एक्टिवेट रहेगी। आप लोग अपना आंसर की इसी डेट के बीच में चेक कर सकते हैं।